Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, the next evolution in smartphone innovation. Apple continues to redefine smartphone excellence with every iteration, and the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max, expected to launch in September 2025, is no exception. With a powerful blend of cutting-edge technology, refined design, and groundbreaking performance, this device is poised to set new standards in the flagship phone market. Here's an in-depth look at what we can expect from Apple's next big thing. Stunning display and design. At the forefront of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is its 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, boasting a crisp resolution of 2868 by 1320 pixels and a pixel density of 458 ppi. This screen isn't just large, it's stunning, with HDR support, a variable 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, and a durable ceramic shield layer for added protection. Whether you're streaming content or gaming, the visual experience will be nothing short of immersive. The phone is crafted with glass on the back and a robust titanium frame, offering a premium feel along with IP68 rated water and dust resistance. Camera system built for creators. Photography and videography receive a massive boost with a triple camera setup on the rear. The main 48MP sensor with sensor shift WA delivers outstanding clarity, while the 12MP telephoto periscope lens supports up to 5x optical zoom. Complementing these is a second 48MP ultrawide lens, ideal for landscapes and creative compositions. On the front, a 12MP selfie camera equipped with a time-of-flight (TOF) sensor ensures sharp portraits and supports 4K video recording at 60 fps. With features like Dolby Vision HDR, Cinematic Mode, and ProRes recording, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a content creator's dream. Power and performance. Under the hood, Apple integrates a next-generation 3nm hexa-core chip, pushing performance and efficiency to new heights. Paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, the iPhone 17 Pro Max can handle everything from multitasking to intensive gaming with ease. As always, Apple's proprietary iOS 18 brings optimized performance, new features, and deeper integration across the Apple ecosystem. Battery and charging. Battery life gets a solid upgrade too, with a Li-ion battery that supports fast charging, Qi 2 wireless charging, MagSafe, and even reverse wired charging. Whether you're charging at home or on the go, you'll be ready to power up quickly and efficiently. Connectivity and additional features. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is future-ready with full 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C with USB 3.2 speeds. It also includes emergency SOS via satellite, ultra-wideband, UWB, NFC, and a rich array of location services. Audio performance is enhanced with Dolby Atmos speakers and noise-canceling microphones, though, as expected, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. Final thoughts. With its cutting-edge specs and refined design, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be the ultimate powerhouse for tech enthusiasts, creatives, and professionals alike. As Apple continues to push the boundaries of innovation, September 2025 can't come soon enough for iPhone fans around the globe. Whether you're upgrading or entering the Apple ecosystem for the first time, this device is one to watch.